Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this video I am solving this problem. Find the area of the shaded region if side of the square is 10 centimeter. Once again, the problem is based on the shaded area. In fact, we have to find out the area of this leaf, right? So many students are confused how to find out the area of the leaf in quick manner. So just be with me. I'll explain all the steps. The problem is really easy. It hardly needs any paperwork. Very little amount of paperwork is required, and the problem will be solved very easily, very quickly. Just listen to me carefully and try to understand the concept. So what I do over here is I complete the triangle. Here, this is now this is a triangle I have made over here. I suppose this point is O. Okay, now ODC is a triangle, and OD is equal to OC since O is the center of the square. So OD is equal to OC, and since this is the diagonal, BD and AC are diagonal of the square, and diagonal of the square they intersect each other at 90-degree angle. That means this is 90-degree angle, right? So if this is 90-degree angle, we can see this semicircle. If this is 90-degree angle, that means CD is diameter of this circle, of this semicircle, right? Because angle in semicircle is 90-degree, right? So directly you cannot say CD will be diameter, but you should be knowing this concept. Diagonals of square, they bisect each other and they intersect each other at 90-degree angle. So this angle is 90-degree. Now angle in semicircle is 90-degree. That means this is the semicircle. That means DC is the diameter. Now up to here, if you are clear, then OD is equal to OC, because it is half of the diagonal. So both of them are half of the diagonal, so they will be equal in length. Now since ODC, this is a right angle triangle, so this length will be 10 by root 2, this length will be 10 by root 2, right? Suppose this length is x, this length is x, then x square plus x square is 100, so x will be 10 by root 2. So this length is 10 by root 2. Right, and this length will also be 10 by root 2. So what will be the area of ODC, triangle ODC? That is half of this into this. So this length plus this length, right? 10 by root 2 into 10 by root 2 is 100 by 2, so that is 50, and half of that is 25. So area of triangle ODC is 25 centimeter square, right? Now next is, since we have to find out the area of this leaf portion, right? So what I do is, from this semicircle, if I delete this triangle, I'll be getting the area of this half of the leaf, right? Half leaf over here, half leaf over here. So if I get the area of half of the leaf, if I double that, I will be getting the area of this leafy portion also, right? So what will be simple for me to get the area of half portion of the leaf and then double it, right? Because half of the leaf area portion to be calculation is very easy, right? So area of this semicircle is what? Diameter is 10 centimeter, so that means radius is 5 centimeter. So area of the circle will be 25 pi. So area of semicircle will be 25 pi by 2, right? So area of semicircle is 25 pi by 2 minus 25, that is the area of the triangle. So this will be the area of this portion. Just a moment. This portion plus this portion, right? Now this portion, the upper portion and the lower portion, both of them are identical, right? So if I double this, this will be the area of this complete portion, right? Because this only figure is the area of half of this. So if I double this, this will be the area of this complete figure. This plus this. Now this is exactly the same thing. Okay, so I further double it. That's it. That is the only thing that we have to do. Now remaining thing depends upon the option. If you have been given the options in pi, then mark the answer accordingly. If anything else, then you have to calculate. So it is 25 pi by 2 into 4. So it is 50 pi minus 100. Or you can say 50 pi minus 2 square centimeter, right? So you see, hardly any paperwork is required and the problem can be done very easily. In most of the cases, what students do, they just try to find out the area of this quarter circle, then further area of this segment. So segment calculation area will become difficult. It will become too calculative, right? So this way you can do this problem very easily. So I hope that's clear to you. So whenever you have to find out the area of this leafy portion, just find out the area of half leaf and then double it. Okay, the problem will be done very easily.